Welcome to another episode of our podcast. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that merges art, science, and technology, the concept of fractals, and how they can reshape our digital interfaces, particularly through an innovative platform called Neurite.network. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's explore this exciting intersection of creativity and computation. Let's start by unpacking what fractals are. You might have heard of the Mandelbrot set, which is not just visually striking, but it also holds deep mathematical significance. These fractals are like infinite patterns, where each zoom gives you a new level of complexity. I mean, who doesn't love the idea of exploring an endless landscape of creativity and thought? Now, imagine blending the structure of fractals with something many of us use daily: mind mapping. That's where Neurite.network comes in. Its creators have spent over 2 years developing a virtual workspace that not only lets us visualize our thoughts, but also engages our creativity in a way that feels incredibly intuitive. It's as if you're planting seeds in a digital garden of ideas, right? One of the standout features of Neurite is its real-time fractal navigation. Can you imagine zooming into a fractal and watching it evolve as you brainstorm? It turns the process of ideation into a dynamic experience, transforming how we connect our thoughts. So whether you're an artist, a researcher, or just someone with a lot of ideas, the platform's ability to allow persistent interaction with fractals really opens up possibilities. It's like having a conversation with your thoughts. Speaking of conversations, Neurite.network integrates AI into this mix, allowing users to create collaborative networks with multiple AI nodes. This means you can write, share, and expand upon ideas in a conversational format with AI, fostering an environment where creativity can flow without interruption. How cool is that? Imagine bouncing ideas off an AI that not only understands your thoughts, but can even transform them into structured memories that can grow over time. And if you're curious about customization, this platform shines. You can choose between different types of fractals to fit your mood or inspiration, whether you prefer the classic Mandelbrot or the more complex burning ship fractal. It's a bit like choosing a color palette for a painting, where each color adds depth and meaning to your canvas. Now let me throw out a thought-provoking question for our listeners. What if, through this fractal interface, we could visualize our knowledge, much like we map out a journey? Would it change how we perceive learning or even collaborating? It's an interesting notion to ponder as we navigate through complex topics. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the underlying power of Neurite.network. It's not merely about organizing notes. It's about creating a living, interactive ecosystem for our ideas, where chaos meets order and where the boundaries of thought extend infinitely. Fractals may very well be the future of how we interact with information. Thank you for joining us today on this adventure into the world of fractals and the creative possibilities they present through the Neurite.network. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and as always, stay curious. We'll see you next time.